Hey guys, do you think this hot kettle can? Me guys, do you think it can? Comment below. Now you can see what it can. First of all, you have to open the kettle. Then you have to pour some rice into it. Some rice is stuck in there. I washed this for it is so it's wet. Then we pour some water. Then we plug the kettle and switch on the switch. Then we put paper roll in there to control the evaporation of water vapor from the electric kettle. Then we be here until the switch off and close the red light. Then we can see what happened on inside. Wait until that. "10 minutes later. Now we can see what happened inside. It's okay. Then we see we can take it into a spoon. Wait. It's good and better. Oh, it's good. You can see. Then we plug out and put in some cup and see how it. Now we can eat. There's some water. We can pour it into a glass for drink. Now we can put rice into the cup. This is drink. This is rice. Now we can eat. So delicious. Look, wait, and we can eat another spoon. Then we can look so much better. Oh, it's so much better and better. Now we can drink some from here. So better. So delicious. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, ring the bell if it is good.